Are you looking for a healthy, delicious, and easy-to-make meal? Today, we're sharing a perfectly balanced recipe that combines high-quality protein, fresh vegetables, and healthy carbohydrates. Whether you're cooking for your family, following a healthy lifestyle, or simply looking for a satisfying meal, this recipe is a fantastic choice for lunch or dinner. Let's get started. Green salad 2. Why is this meal so healthy? The beauty of this recipe lies in its perfect nutritional balance. It includes high-quality protein from grilled chicken breast, healthy complex carbohydrates from sweet potatoes, fiber, vitamins, and minerals from broccoli and green beans. Together, these ingredients create a filling, nutritious, and well-balanced meal. Shopping cart 3. Ingredients for the chicken: 1 large chicken breast, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme, optional. For the vegetables: 1 medium sweet potato, 2 cups broccoli florets, 1 cup green beans, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt to taste, black pepper to taste. Mancook 4. How to prepare. Start by seasoning the chicken breast with olive oil, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. Allow it to marinate for about 20 minutes to absorb all the flavors. Slice the sweet potato into even rounds and arrange them on a baking tray. Drizzle with a little olive oil. Meanwhile, blanch the broccoli and green beans in boiling water for about 3 to 5 minutes, then drain them well. Grill the chicken in the oven or on a grill pan until it is fully cooked and beautifully golden. Roast the sweet potato until it's tender on the inside and lightly caramelized on the outside. Finally, arrange everything on a serving plate and enjoy. Red Heart 5. Health benefits. This meal is not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. Chicken breast is an excellent source of lean protein that helps support muscle growth and repair. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Broccoli provides vitamin C, vitamin K, and other valuable nutrients. Green beans add extra fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making this meal both nourishing and satisfying. Globe showing Europe Africa 6. Interesting facts. Did you know? Sweet potatoes are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin A, which supports healthy vision and immune function. Broccoli is considered one of the world's healthiest vegetables because it is packed with vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. That's why this combination is often featured in healthy meal plans and fitness-friendly restaurants around the world. Fork and knife with plate 7. How to serve. Serve the grilled chicken while it's still warm alongside the roasted sweet potatoes. Add the broccoli and green beans to create a colorful, nutritious plate. For even more flavor, you can serve it with a fresh green salad or a light yogurt herb sauce. Light bulb 8. Tips for the best results: choose fresh chicken breast for the best flavor and texture. Avoid overcooking the chicken to keep it tender and juicy. Slice the sweet potato evenly so it cooks uniformly. Don't overcook the broccoli to preserve its bright green color and slight crunch. Serve the meal immediately while everything is fresh and warm. Glowing star 9. Why you'll love this recipe. You'll love this recipe because it's heavy checkmark, easy to prepare. Heavy checkmark, high in protein. Heavy checkmark, packed with nutritious vegetables. Heavy checkmark, perfect for lunch or dinner. Heavy checkmark, great for fitness enthusiasts and healthy eating. Heavy checkmark, ready in less than 40 minutes. Clapperboard 10. Conclusion. We hope you enjoyed this healthy and delicious recipe. If you did, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest healthy recipes here on Flavor EL. Speech Balloon, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite healthy meal? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with another easy and delicious recipe. Broccoli 11. Why have healthy meals become so popular? In recent years, millions of people around the world have become more interested in eating healthier. People are no longer looking only for delicious food. They also want meals that provide energy, support a balanced lifestyle, and are made with wholesome ingredients. That's why recipes featuring lean protein and fresh vegetables have become some of the most popular meals across Europe and North America. Poultry leg 12. Why is chicken breast such a great choice? Chicken breast is one of the most popular sources of lean protein worldwide. It provides plenty of high-quality protein while being naturally low in fat, making it an excellent choice for active people and anyone looking for a balanced meal. Its mild flavor also pairs beautifully with a wide variety of herbs, spices, and vegetables. Roasted sweet potato 13. Why do so many people love sweet potatoes? Despite their name, sweet potatoes are much more than just an alternative to regular potatoes. They have a naturally sweet flavor, a creamy texture, and are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They are commonly used in healthy recipes because they add both nutrition and vibrant color to any meal. Broccoli 14. The benefits of broccoli and green beans. Broccoli is considered one of the healthiest vegetables you can eat. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural plant compounds. Green beans add freshness, texture, and additional nutrients, making them a perfect companion to grilled chicken. Together, these vegetables create a colorful and nutritious plate. Globe showing America's 15. Similar healthy meals around the world. If you enjoy this recipe, you'll be happy to know that similar healthy meals are popular across the globe. In the United States, grilled chicken with roasted vegetables is a favorite for both families and fitness enthusiasts. Throughout the Mediterranean region, healthy meals often include olive oil, fresh vegetables, and lean proteins. In Northern Europe, balanced dishes featuring seasonal vegetables and protein are commonly enjoyed. Although the ingredients may vary, the idea remains the same: simple, wholesome, and satisfying food. Green salad 16. How can you customize this meal? One of the best things about this recipe is its flexibility. You can easily swap the vegetables depending on the season or your personal preferences. Great alternatives include zucchini, asparagus, carrots, cauliflower, bell peppers, Brussels sprouts. Every variation brings new flavors and keeps the meal exciting. Mancook 17. Common mistakes when cooking chicken. Many home cooks make a few simple mistakes. Cooking chicken over very high heat can cause it to dry out. Another common mistake is slicing the chicken immediately after cooking. Instead, allow it to rest for a few minutes so the juices stay inside, resulting in a more tender and flavorful meal. Herb 18. The best seasonings for this recipe. You can easily change the flavor by experimenting with different herbs and spices. Some excellent options include smoked paprika, garlic, black pepper, rosemary, thyme, oregano, lemon, zest, Italian seasoning. Each combination creates a unique and delicious taste. Fork and knife with plate 19. Serving ideas. This meal can be served with a variety of healthy side dishes, such as fresh green salad, brown rice, quinoa, whole grain bread, yogurt, herb sauce, sliced avocado. These additions make the meal even more satisfying and nutritious. White medium star 20. Why do fitness enthusiasts love this meal? Many athletes and fitness enthusiasts choose meals like this because they combine lean protein, nutritious vegetables, and healthy carbohydrates in one balanced plate. It is also ideal for meal prep, allowing you to prepare several servings in advance for busy weekdays. That's one reason why this type of meal is so popular in healthy eating communities around the world. 21. Why should you try this recipe? If you're looking for a meal that's easy to prepare, nutritious, and full of flavor, this recipe is an excellent choice. It's perfect for families, busy professionals, and anyone who enjoys healthy home cooking. With its colorful presentation, fresh ingredients, and balanced nutrition, it's a meal you'll want to make again and again.